What if I told you that while everyone's obsessing over $20,000 motorcycles, there's a secret world of budget legends that'll outlast them all? A construction worker in Ohio is laughing. His $3,200 bike has 80,000 miles and runs perfectly, while his rich buddy's premium machine just broke down again. The dirty secret? Some of the most indestructible motorcycles ever built are hiding at prices that'll shock you. Today you're getting 7 absolute game changers. Number 7. Suzuki TU250X. The Suzuki TU250X represents motorcycle design at its most straightforward and affordable. Built with simplicity and long-term value. Prioritized, it uses a 249 cm single-cylinder engine that's fuel injected and air-cooled. This setup keeps mechanics simple, reliable, and cheap to maintain over the long haul. Owners report these bikes running past 40,000 miles with only regular oil changes and chain adjustments, demonstrating remarkable dependability when properly cared for. The TU250X was considered one of the best budget buys before discontinuation, selling new for around $4,600. Today's used market offers clean examples between $3,000 to $4,000. At that price point, it competes directly with scooters while delivering full motorcycle experience and capability. Fuel economy stands out as exceptional. Averaging 70 to 80 m per gallon makes it among the most fuel-efficient small displacement bikes available. This efficiency translates into real daily savings for commuters. The lightweight design and low seat height make it approachable for new riders, while the reliability means it won't strand you when you need transportation most. Parts availability remains good despite discontinuation, and the simple design means most repairs can be handled by any competent mechanic. The TU250X proves that basic doesn't mean boring. Sometimes simple engineering creates the most dependable results. Number 6. Royal Enfield Hunter 350. The Royal Enfield Hunter 350 claims top spot as the most budget-friendly modern classic available, offering both affordability and long-term dependability that's hard to match. It runs a 349 centimeter single-cylinder air and oil-cooled engine, the same platform used across Royal Enfield's newer models. This power plant is known for being simple and sturdy, with regular oil changes and routine service. Riders report these bikes lasting well beyond 40,000 miles without major mechanical issues. The engine isn't complicated, meaning repairs stay inexpensive and parts remain widely available. On pricing, the Hunter 350 is virtually unbeatable. A brand new model starts around $4,000, making it among the cheapest options in its class. Used market examples can often be found around $3,500, even with very low miles. Ownership costs stay low, not just because of purchase prices, but also due to inexpensive servicing and low insurance rates. Fuel economy averages close to 70 m per gallon for daily riders. That translates into real savings over time, especially with fuel prices continuing to rise. The Hunter 350's modern classic styling appeals to riders wanting vintage aesthetics with contemporary reliability. It perfectly balances affordability, dependability, and style, making it the smart choice for anyone seeking motorcycles. Number 5. Honda Nighthawk. The Honda Nighthawk has built a legendary reputation as one of the most reliable and affordable motorcycles ever produced. Engine specifications vary by model year, but popular versions featured a 234 cubic cm parallel twin that was air-cooled and virtually indestructible. Riders regularly report Nighthawks lasting beyond 60,000 miles with only basic upkeep. Honda designed this bike with bulletproof simplicity, meaning fewer failure points and cheaper maintenance compared to complex machines. Since production ended, the used market is your only option with prices ranging from $2,000 to $3,500. For clean examples, depending on mileage and condition, this positions it among the most affordable entry-level motorcycles available to American riders. Fuel efficiency remains impressive, consistently delivering 65 to 70 m per gallon for real gas pump savings. Combined with low purchase prices and minimal maintenance needs, it's one of the cheapest motorcycles to keep running year after year. The Nighthawk's reputation extends beyond mere transportation. It's become a cult classic among budget-conscious riders who appreciate honest engineering and reliable performance. Many owners keep these bikes for decades, passing them down to family members or holding on to them as backup transportation. The timeless design and proven durability have earned the Nighthawk status as a true budget hero in motorcycle circles. Number 4. Royal Enfield Classic 350. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 has quickly gained popularity among American riders seeking affordable motorcycles with timeless appeal. It features a 349-centimeter single-cylinder air and oil-cooled engine designed for durability over speed. Owners report these bikes comfortably lasting 40,000 miles or more with routine oil changes and valve checks. Simple construction keeps repairs straightforward and parts affordable. Crucial for budget-conscious ownership. A new Classic 350 starts around $4,700, while clean used examples can be found around $4,000. Compared to Japanese or European classics, this makes it the cheapest way to own retro-styled motorcycles without sacrificing reliability. Maintenance costs stay much lower than rivals, helping riders control long-term ownership expenses. Fuel economy sits around 70 m per gallon, stretching every tank and making it ideal for commuters. Over time, gas savings combined with low entry prices create affordability even when money is tight. Insurance costs remain low thanks to smaller displacement, adding to budget appeal. The Classic 350's vintage styling attract attention while modern engineering ensures dependability. It perfectly bridges the gap between classic aesthetics and contemporary reliability, offering riders the best of both worlds. With low prices, strong mileage, and easy upkeep, it earns recognition as one of the best rider motorcycles available. Number 3. Yamaha MT-03. The Yamaha MT-03 stands among the most affordable naked bikes available while delivering solid reliability and modern performance. It's powered by a 321 CICCM parallel twin liquid-cooled engine, the same proven motor known for durability in Yamaha's smaller sport models. Riders regularly see these bikes lasting well past 50,000 mi when properly maintained. The engine runs smooth, dependable, and inexpensive to service, keeping ownership costs low. Over years of riding, brand new MT-03 pricing comes in around $5,300, making it one of the cheaper entry points into Yamaha's MT lineup. Used market examples can often be found for around $4,000, sometimes less with diligent searching. This affordability, combined with Yamaha's strong longevity reputation, makes it practical for budget-conscious riders. Fuel economy averages between 60 to 70 m per gallon, keeping fuel costs low for daily use. Paired with modest insurance rates and relatively cheap parts, the bike becomes easy to own in its category. The MT-03's naked bike styling appeals to riders wanting modern aesthetics without sport bike premiums. Upright riding position provides comfort for commuting while maintaining sporty Handling characteristics. Quality Yamaha engineering ensures reliability while aggressive styling makes it visually appealing. The MT-03 proves that budget constraints don't require sacrificing dependable motorcycles with modern styling and long-lasting performance. Number 2. Honda Shadow 750. The Honda Shadow 750 represents one of the most reliable mid-size cruisers available. Without breaking budgets, it runs a 745 cubic cm liquid-cooled V-twin engine that's been recognized for decades as nearly bulletproof. Many owners report their Shadow 750 lasting beyond 80,000 mi with routine maintenance, making it among the longest-lasting options in budget cruiser categories. Honda kept design simple and dependable, meaning lower chances of costly repairs. Down the road, while no longer sold new, used models remain widely available, depending on condition and mileage. You can find examples for as low as $3,000, with cleaner specimens closer to $4,500. Considering longevity, that represents strong bargains for dependable transportation at low costs. Fuel economy sits around 50 to 55 m per gallon, solid for mid-size cruisers. With larger tanks, it allows long stretches between Phillips, adding practicality for money-saving and longer trips. The Shadow 750 rides comfortably with low seat heights, relaxed ergonomics, and smooth road feel. Its proven engine, low purchase costs, and legendary reliability offer real value and peace of mind for riders needing machines that won't disappoint. The Shadow 750 has earned cult status among budget cruiser enthusiasts who appreciate honest engineering and dependable performance that stands the test of time. Number 1. Suzuki SV650. The Suzuki SV650 has built an incredible reputation as one of the most affordable and reliable midsize motorcycles available anywhere. It's powered by a 645 cm liquid cooled twin engine that's famous for durability and smooth performance throughout its rev range. Many riders see their SV650 lasting over 100,000 miles with nothing more than routine maintenance like oil changes, chain adjustments, and valve checks. The engine design is simple, proven, and known to keep running strong after other bikes in its price range have worn out. When it comes to cost, the SV650 delivers serious value. A new model starts around $7,000, still lower than many bikes in the same displacement category. Used market examples can be found for $4,000 to $5,000, making it a strong choice for riders wanting long-term dependability without overspending. Fuel economy averages 50 to 60 m per gallon, very respectable for a mid-size bike with this performance level. The bike features comfortable upright seating positions, manageable weight, and handling that works well for both city riding and open highways. Its versatility means you don't just save money on purchase, but get a bike fitting multiple riding styles without needing quick upgrades. The SV650 represents one of the strongest choices for anyone seeking cheap and reliable motorcycles that deliver performance and longevity. And there you have it. 12 incredible motorcycles that prove you don't need a fortune to join the riding community. Each of these machines offers its own unique blend of affordability, reliability, and character that can transform your daily commute and weekend adventures without destroying your financial stability.